Hello YouTube, welcome back to Show You How. Today I'll be showing you how to connect your PS4 controller if it will not connect in 2018. Okay, so the first thing you want to make sure that your PS4 is fully turned off and make sure no lights are on. And once it's fully turned off, go ahead and plug your USB cable in. That's the first thing you want to do. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to power on the PS4. You want to, right as it's powering on, you want to get your PS4 controller and you want to plug it in. So go ahead and plug it in. And you see a light that's coming on. Just wait till it fully powers on. Just wait. You see it's powering on right now. Okay. It depends. Your PS4 might power on quicker than mine if you have the Pro, but I just have the regular standard PS4. Okay, so you see it's coming on now. All right, so now I'm gonna go to I'm gonna go to my account. Okay. And once you do this method, it should already have it on, so that way you can go in and go to the settings. Go to the settings, and you want to go down, and you want to go to devices. And you want to go to Bluetooth devices. All right, so you see this connected. All right, you want to press disconnect, and you want to reconnect it. Hold on, wait a minute. First, you want to power back your PS4 controller back on. Disconnect one more time. And wait till the power's on. All right, so you want to do that twice. And once you do that twice, you should be able to unplug your PS4 controller and it should work fine without you having to keep plugging it up every time you turn it on. But if it doesn't, all you have to do is come back to this video and try it again. But this should work. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And stay tuned for more videos on Show You How.